guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial for my apps, all my apps to learn, to study, and to focus your brain on math, science, language arts, and social studies, which is geography, right? Yeah. So Google Classroom, I was gonna start with Google Classroom first, but I have an account and I cannot show you my emails because they appear emails like this. Boom. So I have a Google Classroom and I have a classroom and it's really boring. My sister literally doesn't like it and I just share the code for her. But if you want me to create a new Google Classroom, a new classroom, you can just comment down below. Say yes or no, okay? Duolingo, so I learned some Spanish in there. Really, I learned Spanish. But I speak Spanish, but some of the Spanish that I cannot understand is how to say bus in Spanish. It's the same thing with Portuguese, but some of the Spanish is not the same thing. They're different, okay? Elevate helps you a lot. I'm just gonna click on this. So yeah, welcome back, Rose. So it helps you a lot with writing, speaking, and reading, and math, and that thing that is right there down below. I don't know. I just started right now, and I did quick stuff, and I just signed in just like right now before doing this video. It helps you with example, arrows, detail, commas, where do you have to put a comma in a sentence, and you gotta pay. But if you don't want to pay for those stuff that is down below, down here on the bottom, it's okay. You can just click on the top. I think it's not open, but you need to pay. But if you want to, you can just click on download the other app. Like if you want to, you can just get this app, IXL. So let's see. Loading. Yeah. Not a kindergarten. I'm a seventh grader. So they have A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, W, M, O, P, Q, blah, blah, blah. W, Z, A, B, B, and C, C, and D, D. Then done. Then if you go to the next one, it helps you a lot, guys. You should download this app, okay? I'm telling you, seriously. You should download this app because it helps you a lot. Like if you have a test, oh mom, I need to study, but it's so hard. I guess I need to download the app or borrow my mom's phone. Please, mom, I need to study so I can be a great doctor, a great police manager or something. A great manager. I need to study, please, mom, please. So you can just tell your mom's just gonna download IXL on your phone so that I can study for my test and get a good grade. Then it's Khan Academy. Yay! Khan Academy, it helps you a lot. They have a lot of videos that you can learn from them. Science and test, life skills, and all the stuff. You can also search here. This is the bookmarks that I just bookmarked it. But it was a long time ago. It was like last year. I don't have nothing yet. If I click here, click on those videos.
And earlier.
Okay, I'm gonna press play.
video, we saw that when carbon is bonded to 4 atoms, we had an sp3 hybridization with a tetrahedral geometry and an ideal bond angle of 109.5 degrees. If we look at one of the carbons in ethene, so let's say this carbon right here.
So yeah, guys, it's really helpful. I can show you another video that I learned. I guess it's here. This one.
I've gotten.
And also, it gives you a quiz.
Now we have
like math. If you're in 1st grade or 4th grade or 5th grade, you click. Then if you have problem by adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing with fractions and stuff, you click the first video.
When we were first exposed to multiplication and division, we saw that they had an inverse relationship, or another way of thinking about it is that they can undo 2, so that is 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, and 4 groups of 2. And we learned many videos ago that this, of course, is going to be equal to 8. But we could express a very similar idea with division. We could start with 8 things. So let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. So now we're going to start with the 8. And we could say, well, let's try to divide that into 4 groups, 4 equal groups. Well, that's 1 equal group, 2 equal groups, 3 equal groups, and 4 equal groups. And we see when we start with 8, divide into 4 equal groups, each group is going to have 2 objects in it. So you probably see the relationship. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And actually, if we did 8 divided by 2, we would get 4. And this is generally true. If I have something times something else is equal to whatever their product is, if you take the product and divide by one of those 2 numbers, you'll get the other one. And that idea applies, and we wanted to multiply that times 3.
So, they also have Mathway. Sorry to interrupt the video, but I gotta hurry up with the video. I gotta sleep. I'm really tired. But I wanted to make this video so that you can download this on your iPad, your phone, and on your mom's phone if you want to. If your mom let you touch her phone. They have Mathway. And it helps you a lot. So I've been playing with it a little bit. Not a lot. Okay? A little bit. So you can say hi. First, hello. Hello. Then I say hello. Then he kind of asks you, how can I help you? So, like, 3. Multiply it by 6 is equal 18. Simply the expression. Now Quizlets. Quizlets is really fun. It helps you with, you can just search math or language arts or arts or social studies. They have a flashcard and you can just like flip the card over it, flip back and flip all the cards. You can also, they have learn. So if they ask you a question, it's like a quiz. So it's a Quizlet. You click. Then if they said it's wrong, it's wrong. Of course it's wrong because it's wrong. They also have writing. What is the definition of the thing? Wait, I think it's science. I'm just doing it right now, scientific. Oh, I didn't know. They have also matching. Okay. Wait, I have 6 seconds. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna click this one. No. 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 Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Yay, I got it right. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. They have math symbols, so it's my favorite. My favorite. Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna quit. Welcome back. Math symbols. First of all, how do I start? When I started downloading, it was last year, 2020, before we moved into our new house. Jessica told me, "Look, I found a new app called Math Symbols." I said, "Okay, can I see?" "Oh, it looks cool. Can I try?" "Yes." Then I tried, then I downloaded on my phone. I was like really exciting about it because it's really fun. I spent the whole hour, like literally the whole hour, playing with this stuff, the math symbols. It's really easy. Let me just give you some tour of it. 5, addition, 4, 5, 14, no, 14, 12, oh, 13. So yeah, it's really fun. So that's all that I have for this video. I hope you guys like it. I really love those all education apps, which is class, work, learning stuff. You can also download from your iPad, from your computer, and your mom's phone, your parents' phone, or your parents' iPad if they have one. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Love you guys. Make sure you subscribe. If you want me to add a new classroom from the Google Classroom, the code will be down descriptions. But first, you gotta say yes or no. So comment down below because I want to know. And I was gonna say one more thing, okay? I was gonna look on the Safari because I don't have Google. I have Safari. In vocabulary, you can also look on Google. I'm gonna look on Safari, so I'm gonna give you a tour. Just wait a minute. I'm gonna give you a tour of vocabulary. It's not easy to say and it's not easy to spell. I mean, they have math, science, language arts, social skills, social studies, and yeah, they have all the videos. They have Quizlets and they have everything. So I'm just gonna go to Safari. Gonna go to Google. Click. No. Click. It's really fun. They have all the rap videos. But I gotta sign in. Log in. Okay, I'm gonna log in. Proportional relationship. I'm gonna click this video. enjoy and watch the video, because those are fraction and ratio. You gotta learn about ratio. So yeah, watch it and enjoy this video.
They'll never play this on the radio, cause we rap about ratios. They'll never play this on the radio, because the song is all about a ratio.
Yo, check it out, this is my brand new ride. Subwoofers in the back and let the seats inside. But the color of the car, it has to go. I'm mixing paint to find a perfect ratio. Ratios compare quantities. Let's make a color that shows my ferocity. The ratio of orange paint, the goal is 2 to 4. For every 2 pints of orange, 4 go get poured. We could write it like this, I like that, or with a fraction bar laid flat. The order that we write the numbers is important. 4 to 2 would mean 4 pints of orange. A ratio can compare a part of a whole to another part of the whole. Like this bucket holds 3 pints of blue for each pint of white. That's a part to part ratio, right? Or we could compare a part to the whole itself. Like take the baby blue color that we mixed ourselves. 3 pints of blue for every 4 in the bucket. Part the whole ratio was 3 to 4, and I love
I'm the crazy 80s baby, rapping math on the radio. In the kitchen cooking gravy, yo, I use a ratio. Comparing parts to wholes and parts to parts, that's a ratio. I've mastered the art. I'm the crazy 80s baby, rapping math on the radio. In the kitchen cooking gravy, yo, I use a ratio. Comparing parts to wholes and parts to parts, that's a ratio. I've mastered the art.
That gold color was a little odd. I'ma make it emerald like the Wizard of Oz. The ratio for my plan of attack is 3 to 2. 3 pints of green for every 2 pints of black.
How you gonna paint a car with 5 pints of paint?
Hold up, that's not at all what I'm saying. I could add more of each color, okay, as long as the ratio between them doesn't change. Here's a table that demonstrates how I could add more of each, but the ratio stays. I could use 6 pints of green and 4 black. A 9 and 6 and the ratio is still intact. We say these ratios are equivalent because they show the same relationship. All of these ratios can be simplified. All of them are 3 to 2 if you just divide by the greatest common factor. You'll see they're equivalent. 9 to 6 is the same as 3 to 2. You getting it? To paint the car, I'ma do a little math. Hitting in my stash, I got 10 pints of the black. How many pints of the green should I use? What to 10 is the same as 3 to 2. You have to multiply 2 by 5 to get 10. So I multiply the 3 by 5 as well. That's 15. That's the number of pints of green that I need to paint my ride with ratios. I do it like this. Watch me pull up in the parking lot in Tokyo Drift.
I'm the crazy 80s baby, rapping math on the radio. In the kitchen cooking gravy, yo, I use a ratio. Comparing parts to wholes and parts to parts, that's a ratio. I've mastered the art. I'm the crazy 80s baby, rapping math on the radio. In the kitchen cooking gravy, yo, I use a ratio. Comparing parts to wholes and parts to parts, that's a ratio. I've mastered the art.
So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys like it. I literally watched this video when I was in 6th grade. And comment down below, should I add the new classroom on Google Classroom? And I'm gonna leave the code down descriptions down below, okay? I love you all guys.